What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bittorrent, which has hit another green candlestick guys, and it is quite huge. So it has gone up over 30% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here. So we're going to be going through what is next for Bittorrent. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a little dip? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell it and take out your profits before it starts to crash back down? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are also going to be going through its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024. And on the positive side, Bitcoin guys, it has pumped up near about 10% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $68,300, a few $100 away from its all-time high. And if it does manage to head around to $69,000, the crypto market is going to get affected quite majorly in a positive way. So I'm expecting it to hit that soon, but again, there'll be more updates on that in future videos, especially with the Bitcoin halving just around the corner. What is going to happen to the crypto market? There'll be more videos on that later on. But anyways, today's focus is on Bittorrent. So we do have the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on. So for now, I'm just going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we can see here the purple line is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bittorrent, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, by afternoon tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Yes, that's what I'm expecting. However, in between that time, so over the next couple of hours, I am expecting it to hit more green candles heading up above where it's trading at the moment, before it slowly starts to dip back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, dropping down to a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. So do expect quite a wave up and then back down by midday tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking at a little bit too steep, especially the orange line is looking way too bullish, and the blue line is just about going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Bittorrent to be more or less trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, I am expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction by over the next couple of days, hitting more red candles before it slowly starts to hit green candles by mid to end of next week, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Especially that I am expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high very soon guys, probably sooner than you expect. So majority of the cryptocurrencies should be on the green side this week. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, in this case we got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking very steep as well guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last couple of weeks. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks as well. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting is for it to go for a price correction by mid to late March, dropping down in value to below the SMA indicator here in purple, and then potentially start to gain value again by late March, April and May, heading to around its current price range or slightly higher is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So yes, an overall minimal increase in value is expected, but in between that time, the crypto is likely to go for a price correction because right now it is overvalued. As you guys can see, over the last month itself, it's done over 135% increase, which is quite major. Yes, I know majority of the cryptos are also on the green side. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, BitTorrent is slightly overvalued at the moment. And as you guys can see, it is also the fourth top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we can see that the crypto is currently trading in the top tier level and it did not resist at the resistance target here, which means it's not sustainable and proves my point as to why it's overvalued. So it is likely to drop back down into the blue zone potentially over the coming days. And even last time when it did drop into the top tier level, it did resist and then drop back down. However, this time it hasn't dropped back down, it's literally just broken out of the resistance line here. So it is more than likely going to drop back down into the blue zone over the coming days. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 230% in the last 24 hours, making it $307 million in trading, guys, which is a huge amount of increase over the last 24 hours, especially the way it's been pumping. We have been seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. In return, the value of BitTorrent has also been pumping quite a bit as well. So for those of you guys who are investing into it right now, make sure your risk management is on point because as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to go for a price correction. And of course, those of you guys who are selling it, you're probably on a decent amount of profit, so why not? So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting BitTorrent to go in 2024? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I've seen a lot of comments saying it's going to hit 0.0001 cents. That means it's going to have to get rid of 3 zeros, guys, which I'm not expecting from BitTorrent anytime soon. Not at least for the next 12 to 18 months. Potentially it could get rid of 1 0, but even that is going to take at least a good 12 months because it is going to require a major increase in value. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.